Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into BambooHR Payroll, manage employee payments step by step clearly. Open your web browser. Type in the BambooHR website URL. Press enter to navigate to the home page. On the top right corner, locate and click the login button. You will be redirected to the login page. Enter your email address in the designated field. Next, input your password in the password field. If you forget your password, click on the Forgot Password link to initiate the recovery process. After entering your login credentials, click the Login button to access your account. Once logged in, navigate to the Payroll section in the main menu. Click on the Payroll option to manage employee payments. Here, you will see various payroll-related tasks available to you. Select the option for processing payroll to begin payments for your employees. Review the list of employees who are due for payment. Ensure all hours and additional payments are correctly recorded. Adjust any amounts if necessary. Once everything looks accurate, proceed by clicking the Review button. Review the payroll summary carefully for any discrepancies. If everything appears correct, click Approve to finalize the payroll. You will see a confirmation message indicating that payroll has been successfully processed. To view individual pay stubs, navigate back to the employee list. Select an employee and click on their profile. Locate and click on the Pay Stubs tab to view their payment history. When finished, log out by clicking the profile icon at the top right. Select Log Out from the drop-down menu to securely exit your account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.